Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of bed bugs. Number 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a fresh smelling essential oil that has antimicrobial properties, so it does double duty as a cleaning agent in your home. It kills bacteria and fungi and neutralizes viruses on contact. It works on these insects by suffocating them as the oil works its way to their systems. However, it's most effective when used. Unfortunately, an undilated version is can't safe for humans. Still, you may see some benefits, or at least a pleasant smelling home, by spraying dilated tea tree oil around the house. To make the dilated formula, place about 20 drops of oil in a spray bottle filled with water. Number 2. Lavender. The smell of lavender makes a bed bug feel nauseous and can even lead to their death. Most humans, however, find the scent quite pleasant. Triple the effectiveness of this solution by washing items with lavender soap, spraying dilated essential oils, and spreading leaves over affected areas. Number 3. Peppermint leaves. Peppermint leaves has the same effect as lavender oil and leaves. Utilize the same strategy and do not forget to regularly vacuum up old leaves and replace them with fresh version until the infection is gone. Number 4. Black walnut tea. This variety of tea is a natural insect repellent. To employ this strategy, simply take your used tea bags and put them in areas that are infested with the bed bugs. Place them around the house, in every nook, cranny, and corner you can think of. Number 5. Sweet flax. This tall plant found mainly in wetlands. It's also an effective insect repellent. The herbal version comes in a packet that you can mix in a solution and spray around the house.